Hey everyone, this is your association board chair, Tim Conley, and I'm just providing a little video update to go along with the minutes for this month. We had a few things going on. The annual meeting was great. Thank you to all who attended, and thank you for all of the support that people have expressed for both the board and myself as as we move Surftides into 2024. Oh my goodness, it's already almost May. The holiday season will be here soon. A couple of high points from the meeting. We did decide to keep the stripes. We restriped the lines out front. We gained several spaces, and the board approved making those permanent. So you'll see some line changes and additional parking in front of the pool that should help to relieve that situation a little bit. The sign subcommittee has been extremely busy and come up with a lot of options on things to do. A very complicated plan with multiple points you can see if you like. The one takeaway is that on all the decks in the building, on all 60 plus decks, the door to the storage closet is going to have a no smoking sign on it. It will be discreet, but it will also be right there so that nobody can stand on the deck and smoke without knowing that they're not supposed to be smoking. Um, and smoking and what are the three smoking dogs? And there's a third one that that always comes up. Um, is something that we'll continue to address. Good news is there's no news on dogs. Everything seems to be going good. The new dog run out back. A little bit of curling along the edge of the landscaping, but we got that taken care of. And we do have a kind of a renovated dog run. But there's going to be a lot of changes with signs as we move forward. It will be an ongoing sort of a rolling process. So if you see old signs coming down and new ones going up, it is a very purposeful, well thought out and voted on policy uh, and procedure. Um, Big news. We talked about the designing repair process for the external part of the building called the envelope. So the building envelope studies are complete. We had a proposal from J2 Engineering to design what needs to be done right down to the materials, the cladding, the type of, construction that has to take place so that everything meets engineering specifications. The cost of the phase one design is 38,770, and the board voted to go forward with having the repairs designed. Once they're designed, we'll have a design plan that we can then use to um, look for construction companies who can implement that plan, not their own plan, our plan, the one that our engineers designed. And we'll get a large construction company to say, yes, I can do all of this, and then give us bids. Once those bids are in, we'll talk about having the engineers monitor the work so that everything that is done here is up to code, that it will last, etc. The outcome will be that the envelope, the outside of the building, the decks, parking, front decks, back decks, et cetera, will all be up to standard and fully repaired, and it'll give us a place to move forward from. So we expect to have the design phase done by the end of the summer. It's going to take them 2 to 3 months. Um, so we went ahead with that, and the board actually unanimously agreed that this is what has to happen with the property. So there was that. There were a few other things at the meetings. They're always fun, always another laugh, always another challenge around the corner. We managed to be getting everything done and keeping the place run smoothly. We are retiring our gas-powered leaf blower and moving into the electric age. So we're doing that, but there's always another little thing. Please read the management report if you want to know what's going on the ground here all month long. It's another challenge around the corner. But so yeah, as always, feel free to communicate openly and feel free to contribute any time or effort for anything that we're doing here. Take a look at the committee reports and the meetings. And if you know something that you think we should know, just reach out and tell us. Good working with you, and thanks again for all the confidence that you've placed in the board this year and as we turn the corner past the annual meeting into the next year at Surftides.